Hi, I'm going to show you how to register for Troop and Family Camp at Camp Gambill in summer 2023 at Girl Scouts of Northeast Texas. From the website, you'll navigate to Camp, Summer Camp, and Family and Troop Camp at Camp Gambill. If you have previously participated in Troop and Family Camp, you'll recognize this registration process. It's being handled through our UltraCamp system. I select my week, and I click Register. It prompts me to log in. If you've never used our UltraCamp system, you would click New User and set up your profile with UltraCamp. As you can see, I have used UltraCamp before. It's got my troop members here. But since this is Family Camp, I'm going to select myself, my husband, and my daughter, and proceed. So for Family Camp, we're going to select which cabin we want to be in. Camp Gambill is a small camp and it has 2 units. Each family has a single cabin to themselves. I'm going to select Frog Cabin 2 and I'm going to put quantity 1, meaning I need 1 cabin for this week. Then under participants, I'm going to select participants and I'm going to do 3. I do not have any family members under the age of 4. So I'm going to click Next. On this page, you would just fill in who we should contact, email, phone number, and any dietary restrictions. All of these fields are required, so you want to be sure to fill those in. You'll select Yes, this information is complete, and be prompted to a digital signature. Next, you'll move on to the payment frame. You may pay a minimum amount, which is your deposit to hold your reservation, or you may pay in full. I happen to have my credit card on file with UltraCamp, so I would just run it through here and submit payment. If you pay a deposit and not in full, you'll receive reminders throughout the spring to finish paying before your camp session starts. For help, please reach out to our customer care team at 972-349-2400 or email customercare@gsnetx.org.